Hotel Ziggy in West Hollywood. Situated, 8462 Sunset Boulevard, West Hollywood, Los Angeles, United States. Located on the famous Sunset Strip, this boutique hotel offers the largest saltwater pool in West Hollywood and a 24-hour fitness center. All guest rooms feature Wi-Fi. A flat-screen TV is included in each room. Bathrooms are equipped with a rain shower head and a hairdryer. Guests can utilize complimentary toiletries and an iron with ironing facilities. Our hotel offers a unique access to the West Hollywood fun. Soak up Hollywood glam at its best. This fashionable fixture on storied Sunset Boulevard exudes edgy, urban sophistication. Learn what makes us a place for a new generation of travelers seeking boutique touches and authentic experiences in the heart of West Hollywood. You will find a 24-hour front desk at this Hollywood hotel. Guests can enjoy shopping, restaurants and nightlife on Sunset Boulevard at iconic hotspots such as Katana, the Roxy, the Whisky and the Viper Room. The Hollywood Walk of Fame is 4.8 kilometers from our property. Universal Studios Hollywood is 15 minutes drive from the hotel.